So guys, this is the random for the remaining teams in the BOGO 452. I already put them in. I just put them in as they're listed. 16 entries. Dice has to be 4 or more. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chiefs are on top. Bengals on the bottom. This better work. Wherever you line up in the spreadsheet. What happened? The Bengals should be on the bottom. I'll figure it out. Anyway, that's your 16 teams that you get. GFXXYW is the code. I'm not sure what's on with the spreadsheet. I'll look at it though. And we're done. Timestamp is 453. Thanks, guys.